Cairo's 15 million inhabitants generate an average of 9,000 tons of household solid waste every day. And every day thousands of residents of Cairo, known as the Zabaleen, Arabic for garbage collectors, collect about 1/3 of this waste. They undertake the daily tasks of door-to-door collection, transport, sorting, recovery, trading, and remanufacturing using household waste from a major section of Cairo. Their waste sorting space is adjacent to their living space, manually sorting household waste that may be contaminated by healthcare waste and other hazardous materials. They operate a recycling micro-enterprise industry that has generated jobs and incomes for an estimated 40,000 people. All this activity is in the informal sector. They have elevated the level of recycling by producing hangers from plastic and handmade crafts from rags and paper. Over the course of 5 decades, the Zabaleen have created a very efficient resource recovery system, recycling and trading some 80% of what they collect. But this way of life is under threat. The Cairo municipality began in 2002 to privatize solid waste management in the city and seeks to make the Zabaleen into employees or subcontractors to the private companies. At the same time, many of them face the threat of relocation to the periphery of the city because their houses used for the recycling of waste are regarded as unsanitary.
زاد الغرام تهياجي سر في الشعور الشجرة ملتهب الأخرين امبارح وسط بحور ومواجي زاد الغرام تهياجي سر في الشعور الشجرة ملتهب الأخرين.
The general public in Cairo may still harbor negative associations with the Zabaleen, but in the Zabaleen community there is an acceptance, even a pride in their own identity. The Egyptians have taken the first step towards emancipation. They had emancipated themselves from the negative stereotype imposed upon them by others. They turned ridicule and disdain into acceptance and even pride in an identity that was distinctly theirs. It graphically demonstrated the inequality, the rottenness of the society that oppressed them.
ايديا في جيوبي وقلبي ضرب سارح في غربة بس مش مغترب ايديا في جيوبي وقلبي ضرب سارح في غربة بس مش مغترب وحدي لكن وانسان وماشي كده وحدي لكن وانسان وماشي كده ببتعد معرفش او بقترب سوا تفرحنا يوم ونبكي شهر تخاصمنا يوم تصالحنا شهر عجبك يا زهر أمرك يا زهر
In Mokattam Mountain, the Zabaline's principal enclave, about 700 families own garbage collection enterprises. Another 200 own and operate small and medium-scale recycling enterprises, and 120 own trading enterprises. There are also scores of maintenance workshops and community-based service businesses. These micro-entrepreneurs have invested millions of Egyptian pounds in trucks, plastic granulators, paper compactors, cloth grinders, aluminium smelters and tin processors. Their methods for handling plastics, paper, cardboard, glass, metal and fabrics are constantly being revised as they upgrade and diversify their recycling know-how.
ألف وش وألف عين وألف ضحكة ملونة